Hi guys, welcome back to Startup Yourself, where we've got a brand new video for you today. We hope you guys are doing well. So before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notifications with that bell icon. With that being done, let's go. We all want to be successful in life. We all want to live our dream lives and enjoy life to its fullest with a sense of that we are doing something that has a cause and a purpose. Now, we all have goals in our lives that we want to fulfill, and everybody has different goals. Some want to have their dream jobs, some want to have their ideal lifestyle, some want a healthy relationship and raise a family, but almost all of us want to make more money. Because money brings an easy and luxurious lifestyle along with security and safety. So, how do you make money? How do you get from poor to rich and beyond? Well, it's all about your mindset and what's going on in your head that determines your success. Today, we'll be talking about a mental trick that will take you from poor to rich by just changing your mindset. So, watch till the end and don't forget to leave a like. Also, guys, comment down below what, according to you, are some of the things that you need to have or think to be successful and gain a lot of money. And why do you think it's important to have a millionaire mindset? Let me know what you all think. Now, the most important thing to understand is that your financial state is a reflection of your mental state. It's what you think how money works that makes you either rich or poor. And many people fail because they are not able to understand this essential concept. It's all about how you make, save, and spend money that takes you from poor to rich. The key to becoming rich is to see money more than just a way to buy things. This is how the rich make money. They see money as a way to make more money and not just a method to buy more and new things. When you see money as only a means to get things, it becomes your goal, but the reality is that you'll never have enough. The rich see money as a way to get things done, to make more money from what they have instead of just spending it. This is called investing, and through this way, money attracts more wealth. The rich use their money to fulfill their goals. They know when to invest money and when to pull it out, instead of just keeping it in one place or buying things. This is called a millionaire mindset. You have to think of ways to make more money with what you already have. Look at investment opportunities, business opportunities, and partnerships. Or if you have a fresh and original idea, work on that. Investing your money in yourself is also essential. We've all heard this somewhere in our lives. Time is money. And not surprisingly, this is actually true and very essential. The rich know the value of time to make big bucks by the hours, minutes, and even seconds. Knowing the importance and value of time is a key element in having a successful mindset. Know the value of time. Use your money to get more time, but never be late on your goals. Be prepared to work hard and tirelessly without breaks. You have to be mentally prepared for your toils. Have a strong will and focus on your goals. Be determined in what you want to do and how you want it to be done. And last but not least, have faith in yourself. Nothing happens in a day. Things take time. Work hard, but most importantly, have a successful and healthy mindset. That is what takes you from poor to rich. Okay guys, that concludes our video. We want to thank you for watching the video, and we want to make sure you hit that like button and let us know that you liked the video so we can keep on making awesome content just for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Also, share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Let me know what you all think, and we'll see you in the next one.